Steam until cooked, a simple guide to cooking terms for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking terms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to steam until cooked. This phrase is not only essential in cooking but also a great example of how English is used in specific contexts. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Steam until cooked is a common instruction found in many recipes, especially those involving vegetables, fish, or dumplings. But what does it really mean? To steam something is to cook it using steam from boiling water. This method is gentle and helps preserve the food's nutrients and flavor. The phrase, until cooked, indicates that you should continue this process until the food is fully cooked and safe to eat. It's a simple yet important technique in both Western and Eastern cuisines. Steaming has several benefits that make it a preferred cooking method for many. First, it's healthy because it requires no oil and thus reduces fat intake. Second, it's gentle, making it ideal for delicate foods like fish and vegetables, which might fall apart or lose their texture with more aggressive cooking methods. Lastly, it preserves the natural flavors and colors of the food, making your dishes not only tasty but also visually appealing. Now that we understand why we steam food, let's talk about how to do it. You'll need a pot, water, and a steamer basket or a similar tool. Here's a quick guide. 1. Fill the pot with a small amount of water, enough to boil but not enough to touch the bottom of the steamer basket. 2. Bring the water to a boil. 3. Place the food in the steamer basket. 4. Cover the pot with a lid. 5. Steam until cooked. This time will vary depending on what you're cooking. Vegetables might take a few minutes, while denser foods like chicken breast could take up to 30 minutes. To get the most out of your steaming, remember these tips. Don't overcrowd the steamer basket. Air and steam need to circulate around the food. Check the water level periodically. Add more if it's running low, but be careful not to splash the boiling water. Test for doneness. Use a fork or knife to check if the food is cooked through. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, steam until cooked, and why it's a favorite cooking method for many. Steaming is simple, healthy, and can be applied to a wide variety of foods. Try it out the next time you're in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English learning content. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.